Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could revolutionize your home workout routine, the LifeOG Adjustable Dumbbell Set. We found this innovative set online, and we've placed a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The LifeOG Adjustable Dumbbell Set is designed for the fitness enthusiast who values both versatility and safety in their strength training. This set features a unique anti-drop weight plate system, trusted by over 1 million users. What sets it apart is its internal steel support frame, which offers a more secure locking mechanism compared to traditional plastic latches. This means the plates stay tightly in place during your workouts, eliminating any wobbling or loosening. Not only does this enhance your workout efficiency, but it also reduces the risk of injuries and protects your floors from damage. One of the standout features of this adjustable dumbbell set is its versatility. With 5 weight options, 4, 10, 15, 20, and 25 pounds, you can easily replace 5 traditional sets of dumbbells. This allows you to target different muscle groups with precision, making it perfect for a variety of training needs. Whether you're doing a quick HIIT session or a focused strength training workout, these dumbbells can help you activate every muscle from multiple angles. Durability is another hallmark of the LifeOG adjustable dumbbells. The weight plates are made from nylon-coated solid steel, ensuring they won't chip or sustain damage over time. The base is constructed from robust PP material, providing stable and lasting support for your dumbbells. This means you can rely on them for thousands of curls without worrying about wear and tear. Additionally, the upgraded anti-slip grip is designed for comfort and safety. With a 33 mm diameter, these dumbbells cater to larger hands, making them more user-friendly. The rubber grip features the latest anti-slip texture design, ensuring that you maintain a firm hold during your workouts. This is particularly important during high-intensity training, where a secure grip is essential to prevent accidents. So, who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a beginner just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete looking to enhance your home gym setup, the LifeOG Adjustable Dumbbell Set is designed for all levels of users. It's effortlessly easy to use. Just open the box, pick them up, and you're ready to go.